Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to get new videos like this. In this video, we're going to talk about 5 types of string methods that I have learned about.
As a beginner, string manipulation.
In this category, we have replace, trim, to uppercase to lowercase. If you want to switch out words, use the replace method. This method helps you swap characters or words in a string. If you want to remove spaces at the beginning and end of a string, you use the trim method. This is super useful when handling user input. If you want to convert your text to uppercase or lowercase, use the to uppercase method or to lowercase method.
String extraction.
In this type, we have the char add and the substring method. If you need just one letter from a word, this method pulls a single character based on its position. If you want a specific part of a string, use the substring method. This method cuts out a section of a sentence.
Checking content.
This category has contains method, is empty method, length method, start with and end with method. If you want to check if a string contains a certain word, you use the contains method. This is super handy for filtering text. If you want to check whether the string is empty or what, use the is empty method. If you want to check the length of a string, you use the length method. If you want to verify the strings, you use the start with method or use the ends with method to check if a string ends with a certain word.
Finding and counting.
In this category, we have index of and we also have last index of. If you want to find the first position of a letter, use the index of method. If you want to find the last occurrence of a letter, use last index of. This method is perfect for searching within long text.
Splitting and joining.
In this category, we have split and concat. If you want to join two strings together, please use the concat method. This method is the same as using a plus sign but cleaner. If you want to break a string into an array, use the split method. Think of it as turning a sentence into individual words.
That's it for this video. If you got this far, thank you. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.